All right. So fingers on the buzzer. This one is for everybody, especially if you have been here for a while. So this is not going to be strange to you. This is going to be piece of cake. Piece of cake. All right. Piece of cake. Fingers on the buzzer, please. Okay. So we know what to do now is we are going to put, we're going to insert an arrow. Okay, we're going to insert a up arrow and we're going to put it there. So we put our up arrow here. Fingers on the buzzer, please. That arrow, that candle is candle number 1. Which is the trigger candle? If that is number 1, what is your trigger candle? Abel, good to see you. Good to see you, Abel. Right. What is the trigger candle? That arrow is number 1. So start your counting from number 1. This is number 1. Tell me what is your trigger candle number, please. Okay, Jacob said 3. Okay. Okay, France 3. Wasami said 3. Keep it coming, guys. Keep it coming. Okay, Adekunle 3, Nkube 3. Hieronymus. Is this your first time coming here? Hieronymus. Henry J 3. Rennie 3. Rennie. Is that your first time? Tabang 3. Die Hard. Oh, where have you been? Where have you been? I've been looking for someone since. I think Die Hard all has been here a while. But Flanders, if anybody knows Flanders, tell him that I'm looking for him. It's disappeared. Hey, what's going on? Okay. Actually, you can use your credit card or debit card to register. You don't have to use only PayPal. Going forward, we're going to add more integration so that you can use other things to pay, like Skrill or like Stripe or other things, okay, to make it a lot easier. So right, number 3, Modesta. Good to see you, Modesta. Nice to see you, Die Hard. Waiting for the 1st of July. You can't wait. Look, I can't wait too. All right, I can't wait. We quickly go and check what is happening over there very shortly. We're gonna check it shortly. All right, so now let's see whether we are right. I'll make it bigger, okay? So we say that is candle number 1. Okay, that is candle 2, that's 3, 4, 5, and so on. So number 1 is wrong because number 1 is in the box. Number 2 is wrong because number 2, 1 inside, half outside is wrong. Number 3 is completely outside the box. So as you said, number 3 is our trigger candle. Well done for the people that got it right. Okay, but before that, let me add the line first. So I'm going to add the buy line. So we are going to buy at the close of that candle number 3. So when we buy at candle number 3, we have the duty to set 2 targets. Okay, the first target we are going to set is the stop loss target, and the second target will be the take profit target. Okay, this is where we went long. All right, as you can see, we went long here. We put our stop loss below this line, either on this line or just a pip or 2 pips below it. That will do. Our take profit target will be the size of this box, TP1. Okay, TP1 will be the size of this box. So the size of this box is 33 pips. Let's make it 34 for easy calculation. So 34 pips is the size of the box. So it means that your TP1 is 36 pips. Oh, sorry, 34 pips. TB2, let's make it 33 so that we can calculate it easy. TP1 is 33. TP2 is 66. TP3 is 99. So you see the reason why I say 33 now. You can quickly multiply by 3 and you get the next number. So Let's see how many pips we're able to gain from this move. Let's see, is that the whole move? Okay, this is the highest move. Okay, so we started from here, and let's see, now that's the highest move. So this is 96. So that's 96. So it means the maximum available is 33, 66, 99, and the last one is what? Who can calculate that? 120 something. 122. Okay, so it looks like we got TP1, TP2, and TP3. Let's measure it again. TP1, 2, and 3, I guess. TP1, 2, and 3. Yes. So we got TP1, which is 33, 66, and 9. Oh no. Let's see. Do we get 99? We're nearly there, but we are close. This is 97.97, 98. Okay. So we got TP1 and TP2. Why worry? Why worry? Good, 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 good. All right. So you need skill to do that, Sam. Okay, no worries. We'll try and figure out something. Okay. All right. So Eronimus, your first time. I figured it out. You know, people don't call me professor for nothing. Yeah. Joking, right? All right. First time and only time I've made a profit on trading through your strategy. Thank you for that testimonial, please. Thank you so much for telling other people that. I don't know Herinomos before. In fact, I was thinking it's actually coming here for the first time. Reading his comments, I discovered he was saying something else. Okay, so you made profit for the first time. Wow. That is fantastic. Thank you for giving that honors to me to make you the first, your first mentor, or the mentor that make you the first profits in Forex. That is huge because you have just crossed a milestone. What I mean is people will bang around some numbers. There are some winners, some losers. People just hear it. They think it's not possible to make money in Forex. But Eronimus, keep it going, okay? You started on a good path, so you have to continue. Ben Davis, all at the close of candle 3. Yes, you got it. Yeah, you got it. Yummy. Why are we using the box for the London session and not that of the US session? Yes, we are going to get there because we know that some people that are new on the channel right now. If we start all the 3 sessions at the same time, it will get confusing. But as we move on and we change the gear to a higher gear, we move into Asia and then to the US all together at once later on. Okay. Thank you so much. These are great comments and great questions. I like that. Amodu, are you using IC market? Because on my MT4, the candles came out of the box at some point as well and later went back in. Okay. So brokers do sometimes have different prices. So their candles sometimes might vary. So you might see that the box might be a little bit bigger with IC market. Maybe it is 32 pips. With Hot Forex, that same hour, it might be 37 pips. So it might vary a little bit. But generally, it should look like the same. All right. Auto trend line indicator. Kenzie K. You want auto line trend indicator? I'm not sure if I put it on Telegram. If I haven't, I will put it there today. Auto line, right? I'll put it on Telegram so that you can have a look. Okay. Sam, which pair are we trading now? Okay, so let's look at it. This is GBP USD. So we are inside GBP USD and we have just finished it anyway. So this is GBP USD. You make your TP1, TP2. You are nearly up to TP3. All right. So that is fantastic. Thank you so much. So if you are new to the strategy, it is called Simple Breakout Strategy. Okay, Simple Breakout Strategy. So let me quickly show you something before I continue. All right. I know you guys know about this already, but I quickly want to show you. Okay, a lot of you have registered. Okay, This is my mentorship program. Okay, you know me by now. I have been on YouTube for quite a while. Currently, I have close to 40,000 subscribers on YouTube. I have loads of video strategies, and you guys have enjoyed it. I have sent numerous of emails to you guys with your request. So, and I always say, when I start my mentorship, everybody will be aware of it. It's not going to be the secret. A lot of people have pretended to be me, telling people to come and pay dollars for indicators and free advice. They're robbing people. But now, I am ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hey, who is ready? Who is ready to roll? Because I am ready to roll now. I am ready to roll now. Okay, so what I've done is I have created this platform for all of you. Okay, this platform is for everybody to come in and join and become a great trader and improve yourself. So I've designed 3 packages. Okay, the 3 packages, they are similar. All these 3 packages will enjoy similar benefits. Okay, so you have all the complete tutorial video. You have 3 powerful trading strategy, or more than 3 powerful. I just put 3 because there is going to be more than 10 strategies, right? So we do all the fundamentals, unlimited access to membership, recorded video, live trade review. All this will enjoy everything. The difference actually is that this gold package, we have 2 hours personal mentorship with me. Okay, personal mentorship means one-on-one. So I will speak to you on Zoom. You will see me. I'll see you. We chat about your trade. So that's 1 day or 2 hours. This guy also benefit everything that all these other 2 guys has, but he has a longer time to mentor for mentorship. 6 hours or 3 days of mentorship. So that is the diamond. So because sometimes people think that diamond has more than this or that. No, they are all the same except the mentorship. So if you are looking for mentorship with me, you either go for the gold or you go for the diamond. But if you are not looking for mentorship, you are okay, you just want to look at my videos, look at the strategies, get all the indicators, get all the templates, then you can sign up to this. So I reckon that a lot of people want to start with silver package. So what I did was, if I scroll down to the payment package or the package detail, so you can see all of them, they have exactly the same thing. Okay, except the 2 hours mentorship. So this one is a one-off. Okay, so this is a one-off payment for that 2 hours mentorship. Okay, and this 500 is a one-off payment for this 3 days 6 hours mentorship. So if you are looking to talk to me and I talk to you, review your trade, and give you some tips going forward, this is yours. And if you want more comprehensive, this is your package. Okay, but however, if everyone is coming for the first time and they want to try the silver package, which is only $50, I have got something special for you, because now you no longer pay $50. You don't even pay $30. You don't pay $20. You only pay $10. Ask me how. Okay, this is how. So when you come to yourtradementor.com, you can click register, or when you get to this package, select start mentorship on the silver. Okay, remember the silver is the one that has the coupon, that has the discount. Okay, you click start mentorship on the silver package. Remember, it will give you that discount. The other 2 for now hasn't got any discount yet. Okay, so once you do that, then you have to register. Okay, so let's say you register, that's me there. I can choose, but remember you must use the right, especially this time zone is very important. You must find your own time zone. If you are in Africa, if you are in America, if you are in Europe. So me, I am in Europe. and I'm going to look for Europe, London. London, I found it. Please take your time to look for this, okay? It's very important. The reason why it's important is when you set your session, when you book a session with me, it will consider your location, so that you don't want to book a session when it is midnight your time, okay? So, and your phone number, make sure you put the right code. GBP, GB44 is mine. Europe, London. Yours could be America. Yours could be Asia. Okay, next. Okay, so you say next. Now, referral ID, you don't need any referral ID because you haven't got one yet. But once you log in, you have your own referral ID that you can give to people. And those people, when they register from your ID, you get commission. Okay, you get commission for those people. So you put your email address. Your email address could be anything. Okay. Password, make sure you use a strong password. Okay, use a strong password. Okay, use a strong password, and you click next. Okay, now this is where the magic is. So now you go next. You see, if you are not on this chat tonight, you will have gone to this website and you will pay $50. Once you pay $50, you become a member and you can access all the resources. But because you are here tonight and this offer is still valid, so this offer is still valid, what you need to do is, I'll give you a code. This is the code here, okay? That code, you just put it right inside that box, discount box, and you click apply discount, okay? But when you click apply, you must wait for this message to come out. The message will say discount applied. Otherwise, if you go ahead and complete without waiting for that message, you will still pay $50. Okay? So once that message come out, say discount applied, say okay to that message, and you see the magic. Wow! So it was $50. Now $40 has been removed. So for the entire month, you are looking at paying just for $10 to be a member. All right. So, and you will gain everything on the site. So you click complete registration. Oh, sorry. I need to choose that one. Yes. Complete registration. And somebody has asked me whether it's only PayPal. Okay. So if you have a PayPal account, you choose that. But if you don't have a PayPal, you only have debit card, you just click that debit card and you just put your card number and everything, and then you make payment for $10. Okay, so it is that simple. But this code will expire very shortly, not today, not now, but I think it's better for you to make use of it. Okay, so let me put the code here for you if you want to do it right away. That is the code. You can quickly go there now and pay just $10 to get in, because officially we are actually supposed to launch on the 1st of July, which is tomorrow. So before we launch, we are making that discount available for people to join before we officially launch. So I will encourage you, use that opportunity and join. Okay. All right, what are you going to benefit from there when you join? What is there for you? Okay, let me show you something that you're going to benefit. Okay, so once you join the members, you have your own area, so you will log in into your own portal. So some of the files there is only for you. When you have a one-to-one mentorship with me, I will post our recorded video on that portal for you. Only you can see that. There are other resources that everybody else can see. You can see, other people can see as well. All right. Another benefit for members is the store. So we have created a store for you, all the members. But if you are not a member, you are welcome as well to look into the store. So you can go into the store from the home page. So when you click store, you are going to browse through all the things we have on offer. Okay. So automatic Ichimoku, automatic MACD, Hey, who was asking for trend line? So you were asking for trend line. Here you go. All right, automatic trend line, currency strength meter, all these indicators. These are not just ordinary indicators. These are indicators that have been tested. I've personally tested and used them. All of you, you know my video about whole moving average, and I've given a lot of this thing out. So for you as a member, once you pay your membership and join, I will send you an email, and in that email I will include a coupon code. That coupon code will give you 100% discount. So you are not going to pay 50 or 40 or 20 or 10 or even $1. No, you pay nada for all this stuff. All right, so that is the advantage of being a member as well. So if you want any of this, ladies and gentlemen, don't hesitate to quickly register. And also you can check out the blog. The blog is just latest information about what is happening in the forex market. So guys, I'm counting on you, and I'm waiting for you at the other side so that we can rock this market together. So this is the blog. So I'm looking for bloggers as well. If you're a blogger, let me know. If you can write a lot of nice stories about trading, you want to showcase your skill, let me know. How to win big in forex market, the pros and cons of trading with EA, learn from the best mentors and don't repeat their mistake, and so on and so forth. So ladies and gentlemen, I have posted that code to you, so I'm hoping that you go there now before the code expires. Great stuff. Thank you so much. All right, any questions about this before we move on? Hey, Abdi is ready. Omar Wasame is ready. Adekle is ready. Nkube is ready. Tabang is ready. Nicola is ready. Who is not ready? Boss Widala. Loda Chatega. What's that? What is that? Tell me. Tell me what that is. Okay, so let's move to our work again. All right. We're back to trading. Okay, because there's one more thing I'll show you, but later on I'll show you about the competition. Okay, so you guys, you can keep going to the website now as we talk and register yourself. So now we finish with this one. Let's move to the next. Okay, actually the next one is for those people coming for the first time. Okay, first timer. I want to pick one that is going to be nice for the first time. I hope this is the today. Yeah, this is today. Okay, this is today. USD chef, this is today. USD card, this is today. They are all good. All of them are good. This is today. Euro GBP, Aussie card, this is today. You can see majority of this trade presents great opportunity for everyone that knows what they are doing. Okay, anyone that knows what they are doing, great opportunities. All right. So, and remember that I've always said that this is not 100% strategy that any day, anytime you are just going to be winning everything with the box. No, but you have a very good chance of 70% or even more to win. Okay, so let's pick one. Let's pick USD chef, did we, or USD card, whatever. Okay, so let's pick one of them. Let's pick this one. Okay, let's pick this one. All right, so now if you are new, I want you to listen here. I want you to focus, because I want to take a trade that might go against us deliberately, so that you are not saying, oh, they are showing me only the good signals and some bad signals, they are avoiding it. No, I deliberately want to show you a bad signal and how you can recover. Okay, because that's important. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to slow down now because of the new people. All right, so this is the box. It's a 1 hour box between 9 and 10 IC market time. So if you are not an IC market, the time is actually 7 to 8, and that is European session. Starts at Frankfurt. So remember that there are 2 sessions in Europe. The first one is Frankfurt, Germany starts, and an hour later London join them. Okay, So I think some people are using the London session, which is perfect. Wasame, you are doing a great job with that. Some are using the European session, the first hour, which is fantastic. You know, whichever that work best. There's no one person with the whole of knowledge in this world. Okay, so whatever that work best, let's see. Okay, so this one is the first hour of Europe, which is in Frankfurt, Germany. All right, so look at the time there. So if you are not an IC market, find out what is 7 to 8 London UK time is with your broker. My broker is 2 hours ahead of UK, and that's why my box is 9 to 10. Okay. No, I think I've changed it. Let me change it back. Let me change it back. I'm just looking at time. It's always good to check things out, you know. Always good. Always good. That is all right. That's 10 to 11. Okay. So 9 to 10. 9 to 10. 9 to 10. That is the Europe session. 9 to 10. And what we have been looking before, like this one we're looking at, this one is the London session. Okay, London session is this one, and then look at European session. This box is going to move. It's going to move to the left now, right, by 1 hour. Okay, move to the left. Move to the left. Move to the left. Okay, right. As you can see, that even today, this other box, it was better today. All right. Why do I say that? Because this one gave us a false breakout early. The bigger one that we just checked out of gave us a better, though it also gave us a wrong signal later on, but at least it avoided one. So on some days, this box will be better than that box. On some days, that box will be better than this box. So there's no good or bad or whatever. What we need to do is check it out, back test it a lot of times. I've done a back testing on this box, 9 to 10, right? 9 to 10 over many months and years, and it's profitable. But if you find another box that is better than that, whoo, singing. That will be a song in my ears. All right. So I'm always open to a better thing, something better than what you've got. All right. Okay, luckily, you know what? Luckily, there was no trade. I thought it gave us a bad trade. No, there was no trade. Okay, fingers on the buzzer. No, not yet. No. Relax. Okay, this one is for the new people. All right, so after the box, now let's look at this time. So you see, the first candle is at 9:00, 9:05, 9:10 until 10:00. Look at the data window until 10:00. That's the last one. So after that, you are looking for a candle that is formed outside of the box, but that candle must not be touching the line. If the candle is outside the box, it must not touch this line. If the candle is below the box, it must not touch this line. Okay, as you can see, these two did not qualify because they are still touching the line. All these 4 or 5, they are not qualified because they are still touching the line. Okay, so the first one that qualify, even this does not qualify. Halfway in, halfway out. The next candle as well is not qualified. It is it's still touching the line. So the candle that qualify is this very candle here. This very candle. Okay, so that very candle, let's make it a little smaller. So I deliberately choose this pair to show you that it is possible to make a losing trade, but it is also possible to recover very fast. Okay, all right, so now we go short here. Oh, sorry, we go long here. We buy at this point. Of course, you can see we don't have enough profit at all because this is our profit target. So from here we hit our stop loss. Okay, now it put us into another trade here. If you can see that, that's another trade here, another sell trade. Well, if you allow 1 or 2 pips above above this line, you will escape this stop loss. But if not, okay, you might hit second stop loss as well. All right, now it gives you another opportunity here. This is the third trade. This is the third trade. At the close of this trade, and you have your take profit target of this size of the box, TP of the size of this box, which is 12 pips. That's the size of the box, 12 pips you are looking for. And let's see how many pips you get. So here you got 75 pips, 76 pips, okay? 76 pips. If you are like me or some people that is set, let's just make sure that our box is 12 pips. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's say 13 pips. Okay, 13 pips. And now you got 76 pips. To me, that looks like TP1, TP2, TP3, maybe TP4, maybe even TP5. Okay, so I know that you have taken a trade here which went against you. Fine. If you cannot escape the second trade and you got hit out, that is 2 stop loss. But you are still in the market. Like, you can recover everything if you trade by the book. You have TP1 to TP3, 4, 5. You set it. Then you recover all your losses from here. Okay, so I'm showing you a bad trade. Okay, so that you know that it's not going to be avoidable. So though we are working on avoiding false signals, so that's why in our life environment, that is what we are going to focus on. In our life environment, we make sure that none of this bad signal will be taken. We will add few things to it, okay? But what I want you guys to get in this forum is the basic of this strategy. As it is, without adding anything, it is profitable. But how can we get it to the next level? So you want to take 10 trades and you are winning 6, which is good. But how can we make it that we win 9 of the 10 trades? That is the next target for us. So if you want to come on board with us to do that, you're welcome. Okay, I've mentioned a few people right now, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be focusing on removing all those false signals. Okay, I have my way of doing it, but I know I can also task you guys to do it as well. Excellent. Jeez, Kruger, Franz Kruger. Okay, link to register. Oh, register for what? Which one do you want to register for, Kruger? Is it the website? Oh, okay, all right. I think you mean the website, right? All right, let me send the website. Maybe this one is what you are talking about. Okay, maybe you are talking of the website, Kruger. Okay, it's called yourtradementor.com. Okay, let me copy that. All right, I think it's the one you are looking for. All right. Okay, this is it. All right, actually, you know what, let me send you to the right place. So the one that will give you the one that you can just register immediately. So that will be the register link. That will be the registration link. Okay, excellent, good stuff. All right, let's see. I am very ready, but when is the script payment system coming up? For now, have you tried to use the credit card or debit card option that is there? Try those first, and if it doesn't work, and we are working on the Skrill. Yes, definitely Skrill, or 2 checkouts, or even the other one is Stripe. We are trying Stripe as well. You know, as time goes on, we try to add more payment gateways. Okay, for now, let's try to use the one that is available. Okay, how do you hold the trade? It's easy to hold the trade. You move your stop loss when your first target is hit. You move it to break even. When your second target is hit, you move your stop loss to TP1. When your TP3 is hit, you move your target to TP2, and so on and so forth. So you do a trailing stop by the size of the box. What I try to do is to make sure you are not guessing anything. Because some people will say, oh, what's your take profit target? You say, oh, it's 5 pips. I say, okay, which time frame? Oh, it's the 5 minutes time frame. Oh, no. If you are going to use 4 hours time frame, use 30 pips. Or if your time frame is daily time frame, okay, use 100 pips. Sometimes that is very confusing because time frame is there, and there's also what you call average true range. What is the ATR value or at the time? Sometimes you may have today, the market might be volatile. On a daily time frame, you have a range of 100 pips for GU. But maybe next week when the market is quiet, on the same GU daily time frame, instead of 100 pips, it's now 75 pips. So you cannot use the same fixed pips all the time for different time frame. But this one is very, very adaptive to what is happening in the market. You can see sometimes our box size is 20. Sometimes the box size is 35. Sometimes it's 10. You can see that. So it depends on the market. So the market dictates what your take profit is. So it varies as the market changes. That is adaptability of the strategy. All right. Excellent. I hope you enjoyed that. Okay. So it is now time to turn on the engine. All right. Let's turn the engine on. What engine am I talking about? I'm talking of the engine of Asia market. I'm talking of the engine of Asia market. And I'm talking of the engine of the USA session. Okay. USA session. So now we got the Asia market. We put 2 to 3. Similarly, in Asia, remember that it's not just one session in Asia. So you got the Japanese market, you got the Australia market, you got the New Zealand open. All these 3 big, even China is there as well in this same Asian market. So we put this Asian session at 2 to 3. Okay. You might find out maybe an hour before this is another session. Maybe that's the Japanese session open, or an hour after that. So, but you can't be jumping all over the place. So you pick 1 hour. All right. So we pick 2 to 3. For US, similarly, we're picking 14 to 15 for that. Remember, you need to adjust this based on your broker's time. All right. So we click OK to that. So OK to that. Then we should have 3 boxes. Box number 1, box number 2, box number 3. So box number 1 is the Asia box, Euro box, and the American box. Okay, who wants to see something else? Who wants to see any kind of trade, any kind of pair? Because I don't want to give you mine so that it doesn't look like it's already prepared before time. Give me any challenge. Let's go and do it. We're going to talk of SBS challenge very soon. Let's do this challenge first and see if we can win this challenge. Then we go and win the SBS challenge. All right. Anybody, any chart you want to see? Is there any chart you want to see? Any chart at all? All right. Okay, let me start. Let me kickstart it by putting on. I like this Dutch mark. This Dutch mark has been very good. Okay, GBP New Zealand. Okay, let's go there. GBP New Zealand. GBP New Zealand. Here we go. GBP New Zealand. All right, let's make sure we are looking at today. Okay, this is today. This is today. Okay, this is today, right? So this is today for GBP New Zealand. Okay, so we have this trade here, which is the Asian session. So you put your 2. So Asian session, this is Asian box. All right. So Asian box doesn't look particularly great. Okay. Because you'll have gone into trade here and you might be stopped. Where is it? GBP New Zealand, yes, you might be stopped out if you didn't allow any gap. If you allow a few gaps, maybe you'll be safe here. All right, so we move to Europe. Okay, so the Europe is from here. Europe from here to here. Okay, so no trade here. Let me make it bigger so you can see. So for Europe, there's no trade here. Okay, but you did get a trade here as well, which actually stop you out second time. But the US one, let's zoom there. So the US one start from here. And you get put in a trade here on the US session. I think you made your TP1 and TP2. Okay, so that will have helped you a little bit with your stop loss are here and stop loss here. Any other person? DE30. Let's look at DE30. DE30. German. The German stock market. The German stock market. Okay, DE30. Here we go. For today, GE30. I think you make your TP1 on this one. Let's see. Okay, so here you go short here, right? And it went up, but your trade is safe. And probably by the time you get to Europe session, you already made your TP1 or 2. All right, you can see from where you enter here, okay, here you go short. Actually, here you go short there. And you close your trade there. So you made your TP1 and TP2. Then you move to Europe. You move your bag and baggages. You move your operations to London. But notice that this London session is very high. Okay, you can see this European session here. There's a news somehow. All right, so that box is very high. And when box is high compared to the other ones, you just have to be careful. Sometimes you don't trade it. Okay. All right, and then you come to the American session. Okay, so probably you will take this trade and you will take another trade over there. So this trade will stop you out, but this one will continue to give you some profit. All right, another one, euro dollar. Did we miss out euro dollar? Euro dollar. Okay, so before we do euro dollar, let me show you about the competition somebody has been asking for. How to filter out false signal. Yes, that is what we're going to sort out. That is exactly what we are going to sort out. You can use Asian boss for daily low or high. Yes. All right, so the competition. Let me explain to you about the competition now. Okay. So we started this competition. We call it the SBS, your Trade Mentor SBS Challenge. So now that you have been using this SBS for 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 5 months, whatever, now you want to test yourself against the rest. You want to test yourself against the best. Okay? So it's free. So no payment whatsoever. In fact, even if you don't have a live account, you can use your demo account. You have nothing to lose. You have everything to gain. Number one thing you are going to gain experience doing it. You are going to gain the challenge, and you might even improve your strategy doing it. Okay, so to register, you go to fsblue.com. Okay, and once you get there, fsblue.com, you look for competitions, and under competition you will look for pending. But tomorrow it's no longer going to be under pending, because it's going live tomorrow. Hey, we're going live tomorrow. We can't wait. A lot of people can't wait till tomorrow. Okay, so currently, can you see somebody just register as we are talking? People are registering very, very, very hard. This is going to be a hard competition, ladies and gentlemen. It's not going to be walk in the park. Even though there's a small money to be gained at the end of the day, this could launch somebody's forex career forever. Because there's a strategy I taught on my YouTube channel, although you cannot see there anymore. It's gone to the yourtradementor.com now. I call it double mark this strategy. That strategy is used by one of these people that take part in a competition some years back. And there were hundreds of people that took part in that competition. That fellow beat them hands down with double mark this strategy. So ladies and gentlemen, that double mark, this strategy is now in your tradementor.com. It is my my work, so I can put it wherever I like. But I want to give it to you. I want you to have it. All right. So you click the your Trade Mentor SBS challenge, and then you join. Okay. Because I've not signed in yet. I couldn't join. But once you register with these people, they are third party. They are owned by Oanda. So we all know Oanda is a big company, so they are not fake, so they are okay. So we don't have any affiliation with them whatsoever. A lot of companies and people use them to organize competition. So we are just using them to organize this competition. So you register yourself and you log in. But once you log in, you just say join. Once you join, you become one of the competitors. So you can see the list of competitors. The good news is that your name is not showing, right? Your number is showing, but your name is not showing, which is good. So you see, we have 2 pages long. This is not just the whole of it. There's next page. So we already have quite a lot of people on the competition, but we want to make it more than this, right? So we want to see who can make 100% return using SBS strategy. Who can make 50% return? Who can make 10% return? I mean, who can break even? Okay, so that is the challenge. And as a trader, you must be ready. We are ready. Are you ready? All right, you might read the rules as well. The rules are very simple. We made the rules so that everybody can take part. As we said, it's starting on the 1st of July. You can use a demo or live account. The choice is yours. You only have to use SBS strategy to take your trade. Okay, you take your trade using SBS box. Okay, but after you've taken your trade, you are free to combine SBS with any indicator that will help you manage your trade. You can also use any indicator or any strategy to avoid false breakouts. Okay, that's your challenge. Let me see if anybody will be able to come out with a very good way of avoiding those false breakouts. Okay, I want to set you a challenge. Let's see. Now, for more information, if you don't know much about it, you can go to my YouTube channel and watch that video. Remember, we are not using AA for this competition, expert advisor. We are not using expert advisor. We want to use the skill of a trader. Okay, so we are going to start with a balance of $1,000. So if you are going to open a demo, just ensure that you open 1,000 demo account or your live account. Make sure it is a 1,000 and it's fresh. Okay, now if you don't have a demo account or you don't have a live account or you want to try my broker, this is the link here. You can go there and find it. All right, so who is going to be the winner? The winner is the person that has the biggest return. It's as simple as that. So if everybody starts with $1,000 and then you at the end of the day, maybe you made $300, making 1,300, and you are the highest, you win. Okay, so you can join the competition at any time. Even you can join tomorrow, you can join next tomorrow, but I believe if you join before it starts, you give yourself a good chance. Okay, all right, you can only trade when the competition starts. Yes, all right. Okay, what are the winners? What is the prize? Okay, there's a token prize there. Agreed, it's not the biggest prize in the world, but it is something. Okay, so the first prize is $300. 5 people can win. 5 people. Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5. All right, so let's do it. Let's do it. What else? If you can send an email to info@yourtradementor.com to say you are competing, that would be great. Well, you're winning. If you win, we can put your money in your PayPal account for you, or if you don't have a PayPal account, we can do a bank transfer or whatever that works for you. All right, that's all there is to it. But in the next, I think in the next few hours, this is going to be live. And I think we should be able to see chart. So if you, let's say you pick a competitor, you open there, you can see the performance of that competitor. You can go there and check. It's openly available to anybody to come and check. Even if you are not taking part, you can come and look at the performance. Look at, I'm not sure how much you can see, but you'll see the trades, probably the trades is taking, what time it take the trade, what are the TP, what are the stop loss, and everything like that. Excellent. So, ladies and gentlemen, what are we waiting for? Okay, Oluwaseun. Okay, chat me afterwards. I think, have you tried to use your mobile phone to make the payment? Because I know some people says it wasn't going through on their laptop, and once they use mobile phone, it worked. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Any questions about competition? Okay, I'm trying to register, but I keep getting this something went wrong. We'll take you back to checkout so you can try again. Okay, Abel, what I suggest is use another browser. So try use, if you are using Internet Explorer, try use Chrome or Firefox or any other browser. Or better still, just go on your mobile phone or your iPad or your device, mobile device, and do it that way. Sometimes because of the cache on the computer, sometimes the cache is preventing people from registering. Okay, but keep trying. A lot of people have issues, but they eventually overcome it. All right, any question about this challenge? How about this competition? All right, may the best trader win. Okay, may the best trader win. All right, let's come back here. Right, so we have seen euro dollar, we have seen DE30, SAU USD. Someone wants to see SAU USD, SAU USD. Here we go. Is this today? Yeah, this is today. All right, this is a good one for this strategy today, and that's why we said, sometimes if you look afar, you will see the gold. All right, if you look beyond just a little of euro dollar or pound dollar, there are some gold lurking around. Okay, so say for example, if you trade this one today, at least you are guaranteed of a TP1 here, if not more than that, definitely. And when you get to Europe session, your box changes. See, it's nearly the same high of the session. Both Europe and Asia nearly the same high. A different low, so you put it here. For Europe session, you will hit your TP1 even before you get to American session. And then the big news. When you get to the American session, you hit more than one TP. Because this is the American session for you. You break here. Actually, this also is a trigger can. You break there. And at least you make your TP1 and TP2. So it's been fantastic for this particular instrument today. It doesn't work every day. I said it multiple times. It doesn't work every day, but it works more than half of the time. So your question is, how do you manage those ones when it doesn't work? How can you make sure you protect yourself? You use proper money management. You don't just go and start buying two standard lots, 5 standard lots, with a $1,000 account. So once you do a proper money management, you are going to grow your account steadily. So this strategy is not, you will double your money in a day, you double your money in a month. This is a strategy that you grow your account on a regular basis. So you grow it on a regular basis. All right, thank you so much. Any more questions? All right, let's see. Okay, I try mobile and laptop. Okay, Oluwaseun. All right, are you on Telegram? Okay, are you on Telegram? Okay, let me show you the Telegram, because Telegram will help you out. We have a lot of people on Telegram that will help you out. Okay. All right, first of all, let me talk to you about Telegram if you don't know it yet. So Telegram is where all of us, we come here to trade and we exchange ideas. Okay, as you can see now, we're already 1,118 members in this group. Okay, shout out time. I'm going to make a shout out to few people here Dak, thank you so much. Dak has been phenomenal. It's been helpful. Although I didn't see you early today, I see you very, very close to the end of the day, but that's still okay. You made your own contribution. That's great. Thank you so much for that. Ade, you have been contributing as well. Thank you so much. That is great. That is great. Excellent. I'm starting to see this Bobby a little bit. I'm starting to see some names like NASA and Oluwa Sheun. I'm starting to see the names. Yes. So there are names that have been there before. I know them. I know those names. All right. So I know those names. Jack. I think Jack also is coming up. Ben Davis also is coming up. He's been contributing. That's good. Wasame is a champion already. I told you about him. Wasame, Jack, I said is coming up as well. That's good. Roberts is not here today. Maybe he's busy today. There are a few people that we know that they are constantly here in the group and very helpful. Okay, so let's see if I can see any trades today that anybody has posted. Okay, I can scroll up and see if there's any trade posted. Okay, this one, is it a trade or no? It's just okay. So it's trading one. It's taking a trade. I can't see the box yet. Maybe his box is hidden. I like to see the box when you take a trade. Show me the box. Show me the box. Okay, Oluwaseun, you're on Telegram. Okay, good. All right, show me the box. Okay, all right. Did you show me the? Okay, this one show me the box. Right, show me the box. That's probably the Euro box, maybe, because I don't know what color it's using and it's time. Yeah, maybe that's Asia. Maybe that is Europe. Okay, this guy is showing me the box. He's telling me it's using SBS, which is great. You can manage your trade anyhow that pleases you, but just make sure you take a trade from the SBS box. That is how we know that you are using SBS. Even though your SBS is not the same as 9 to 10, it's okay. It's okay. So far you are using the box to guide your trade. Check that out. Okay, check that out. So this guy took how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 winners, I think, and 2 losers. And check that losing out. -1, -1. Okay, -1.8. And look at the winners. Winners are bigger than the losers. Well done. That's a good trade. Who is this guy here? Okay, Jack. Well done, Jack. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is another trade. I think this fellow is just showing. He's just showing his okay. It's not showing his equity yet. He's still hiding it. Did this guy show us anything? Yeah, this guy is showing us maybe when he started. Okay, yes. This is his box. This is box here, box here, box here. So he's showing us some trade. Maybe that is when he started. Okay. All right. Excellent. We would like to see when this guy closes and see what was the result. Okay. Excellent. So people have traded today. I like to see these things like this. This is a box. Okay. So it's probably take a here he got his wrong signal. Here he's got probably another wrong signal. So but eventually he hit his TP1 and TP2. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Let me see if I can find one more before we go. Okay, this is one again. This one is trading GBP USD. All right, trading GBP USD. All right, if you are not on Telegram channel, let me send you the link to join. Okay, I will find the link to Telegram channel and you can join the group now, because when you are there, you can ask any questions from the veterans and they are there to assist you. Okay, so that is the Telegram group. You can click now and join. All right, so first of all, when you join, you go to the file sessions. The indicator we are using is called sessions. So sessions MQ4, because there are so many files now, you can just search for it. Search for sessions. Okay, so sessions, you get the session ES4, but the one you want to use is sessions MQ4. So if you have MQ4, you use this one. This other one is MQ5. admittedly, I'm not the one that posted this. So if you use MT5, you may want to try this indicator and see if it works. But this one, 100%, it works, is the indicator we are using right now. Okay, so you can download your indicators here, and there's a whole lot of indicators. Let me search for that auto trend line. Whether it's there, trend line. No. We have a trend dashboard, ATR stop. That's the ATR stop that I talked to you about some times ago. Okay, so all the indicators you need for this strategy, they're all here. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so let's see any more questions from anybody. Do you take the trade or competition on the FS Blue platform? No. So the FS Blue platform is just linking your MetaTrader 4 account. So this platform, you have your own MT4. Okay, so let's go through the system of registration, for example. Okay, so what they do is they connect. When you register with FS Blue, they connect directly to your MT4 platform. So when they will sync your account, your MT4 account, they will sync it to your user name here, your competition name. So if you want to register, for example, these are the questions they will ask you. What's your broker server? So let's say you are using ABC Market. What's your account number? You provide your account number. Then you provide your read-only password. You provide your read-only password there. Once you've done that, you put your email address. When you say register, they try to connect to this your account on underground. Yeah, so they connect, and whenever you trade on that your account, on this account, on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, it will display the result here on this website. So that is what he's doing. I mean, you guys, you know, FS Book. My FS Book is the same thing as these guys as well. My FS Book will do exactly the same. They will connect to your MT4 platform. You provide your account number and your read-only password. They will connect to it, and then they will display the result. So go through this registration process, and it's very simple. All right. Any questions? Any questions before we roll out today? Before we zoom out, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I told you 1st of July is when your TradeMentor.com will officially launch. Although we have already started, and I want to thank you very, very well, all those people that have registered. There are lots of people that have registered. I'm surprised that we have, when I counted it, we have about 15 different countries that have registered. 15 different countries. Germany, Australia, Canada, USA, United Kingdom, Nigeria. We have Israel. We have about 15 different countries have already registered. And it's growing, okay? So it's your time to join in, because that is where we are taking this to the next level. All right. So I'm sending you the code again. How do you submit? Submit, you mean this one here? To register, you just click register, put your email, register, and off you go. Off you go. Hey, any more question? Okay, what is in your language? Please tell me what is good night or thank you, good night. Because I want to salute you in your language. Tell me what is it in your language before I go out today. Hey. So don't forget, competition start tomorrow, and also the live your TradeMentor.com is live tomorrow as well. It's live already. People are already enjoying it. They're already watching all the tutorial videos, and a lot of people have already booked one-to-one session with me already. So I'm going to make myself available. You will see my calendar. You pick the time that is available to you, and we will rock it together. Okay. So without further ado, if there's no more question, or let me show you one more example before we go. One more example. Because the most important thing is that you get this strategy 100%. Okay, let's do euro dollar. Okay, euro card. Okay, euro card. Okay, this euro card. Let's make sure we are talking of today. Oh my goodness, this is a great one for euro card today. Here you make your TP1. Probably here you make your TP1. Here you are probably going to make your TP1 here. Or if you don't, you break even here. But when you get into a short trade, you got chance to make quite a lot of TPs. Excellent. Thank you so much. So, okay, all right, let's talk about Odaro. Okay, Odaro. That's one. Okay, who else is there? Esheun, Udewo. Okay, Dewo. Okay, that's nice. That's a nice one, Dewo. Which other ones is there? Guy Ois. Okay, Guy Ois. Which one is there again? Please let me know, because you're gonna be loving it. You're gonna be loving it. Anyone else? Oh, sorry, Ahmed. How can I say that? The Arabic lettering, I can't pronounce that. Sorry, I would have loved to be able to pronounce that. So since I couldn't pronounce that, let me try the ones that I can pronounce. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Terima Kashi. Thank you so much. Eyalama, thank you so much. Spasiba, thank you so much. Siyabonga, thank you. Bunanote, thank you so much. Ndewo, thank you. Indi Meba, thank you so much. Kashifu, Odaro, thank you so much. Odaro, and guys, Hohis, thank you so much. Nkale, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. It's all pleasure is mine. I love that you guys joined me. I'm actually very grateful and flabbergasted about it. It's wonderful. Melake Kale, Toshi Alakia. Hey, Etele Kale. Sorry if I'm murdering your language. Sorry if I'm murdering your language, but you forgive me. All right. Okay, yes. Abel, please, if you're on Telegram, let's chat on Telegram, okay? Join the Telegram group. I'll be there, and my support team also will be able to help you, okay? Or better still, if you still have issues, send email to info at yourtradementor.com. If you still have issues, just send email to that email address, and they will help you out. All right. So Mabaleng, Mekalele, Siabonga, Boninote, Ndewo, Ndimeba, Kashifu, Odaro, Ndewo, Gailos, Minale Kale, Toshi Alakia, and Elale Kale. Good night, everybody. Thank you for watching tonight. I hope we will chat again very, very shortly. Good night. Thank you for watching.